CPAP. Does Yuki need a CPAP? Maybe so. We need to schedule a sleep study for this little girl.